Loyalty is a rare and precious gift, a bond that withstands the tests of time. True loyalty is not just a commitment to a person but a dedication to shared values. In loyalty, there is strength, a collective force that empowers and unites. Loyalty is the silent promise that echoes through actions, not just words. A loyal friend is a priceless treasure, a companion who stands by you through thick and thin. Loyalty is the backbone of trust, a foundation on which strong relationships are built. In loyalty, we find reliability, a steadfast support that never wavers. Loyalty is not blind devotion, it's a conscious choice to stand by what you believe in. The depth of loyalty is measured in moments of adversity, where true character shines. Loyalty is the bridge that connects hearts, fostering connections that go beyond the surface. A loyal ally is a beacon in the storm, providing guidance and unwavering support. Loyalty is a commitment to defend, protect, and uplift those we hold dear. The loyalty of a team is the force that propels them to achieve remarkable feats together. Loyalty is not always easy, but it is in the face of challenges that its true worth is revealed. A loyal companion is like a mirror, reflecting your strengths and flaws without judgment. In loyalty, there is honesty, a trust that transcends the need for pretense. Loyalty is a silent pact that speaks volumes about character and integrity. The loyalty of a pet is a testament to the unconditional love they offer, a lesson for humanity. True loyalty extends beyond proximity. It's a connection that bridges distances and time. Loyalty is a reciprocal dance, where both parties contribute to the rhythm of trust. In loyalty, there is sacrifice, a willingness to put others' needs above one's own. The loyalty of a mentor shapes the journey of those they guide, leaving an indelible mark. Loyalty is a quality that commands respect, admiration, and lasting relationships. The loyalty of a community is a powerful force that can bring about positive change. Loyalty is the adhesive that binds partnerships, friendships, and collaborations. In loyalty, there is humility, a recognition that we are part of something greater than ourselves. Loyalty is not blind obedience, it's a conscious allegiance to principles and shared goals. The loyalty of a leader inspires trust, motivating others to follow with confidence. Loyalty is a commitment that transcends fleeting emotions, rooted in enduring principles. In loyalty, there is endurance, a strength that persists even when faced with challenges. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.